Hey all, this is Dr. Jyoti Bala. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. In this session, we are going to discuss about a very unique and innovative pregnancy test which is based on saliva. This is the world's first saliva-based pregnancy test. It is non-invasive, easy, and also hygienic way to detect pregnancy. This Israel-based startup have developed this saliva-based pregnancy test which will be available in global market by 2023. The company who have developed this kit is Saliva-based startup Biotech, which is based on Israel. The kit is called as SaliStick. The kit is easy to use and portable to carry, which makes self-testing way easier than before. It is convenient and it also provides privacy. So you don't have to use washroom and bathroom and could test your pregnancy anywhere. This is also a rapid and portable. We also know that rapid, portable and non-invasive diagnostic devices and kit are currently in demand. So especially if you are from biotech, biomedical or biosciences area, this kind of project, this kind of innovation are really very useful and waiting also. Saliva-based testing are usually rapid due to multiple medical reasons. Additionally, such devices could also detect hormone and other viruses and pathogens. In this test, you don't require blood or urine sample for testing. This kit is easy to use and also provide accurate result within few minutes. This saliva test can be taken on the first day of missed period to detect the presence of pregnancy hormone, which is human chronic gonadotropin. The kit also got certification from European CE and has also received medical devices and necessary approval from Israel Ministry of Health. These kind of devices which are rapid, portable and which are non-invasive are really in demand these days. So if you are a researcher, kindly explore these areas further. I hope you have liked the session. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.